Hello everyone, welcome back to Warfield Motor Adventures. Speedy B here. So, last video we took the KLX300 out. Well, I shouldn't say we. Dad took the KLX300 out for a little off-road test at the mountain property with the new Race Tech 6.4 kilogram rear spring that has been upgrade 1 for this bike. Now Dad's going to take the bike out on some mountain roads right outside our property up in between Lenoir and Taylorsville, North Carolina. Let's get into it.
All right, a little on-road with the KLX300. Let's try it. Put the visor down a little bit. Yeah, already it's just sits so much more flat than it was. Now dual sport tires here, so we're not going to go crazy. Yeah, just the back sits up where it should. Just give the bike a good posture, I guess. One way of saying it. It was definitely dragging its butt before. Nice. Oh yeah, so much less dive in the corners. Not dive, really, that's more for the front. I guess what I'm trying to say is before it would just completely like push itself into the ground. Yeah, I like this little bike. Maybe with these dual sport tires. Yeah, let's do some more road riding with this thing. This road's gonna make me want to go get the VFR. Comes off the turn, doesn't have that chopper feeling. See, we'll set the, not going fast enough, but see, set the front a little bit, trail brake it. Yeah, much better. Much better. So yeah, Bryce and I were talking earlier about, is the 300 a good beginner's bike? And I kind of think it is, except if you're planning to do any amount of highway, you're going to run out of speed and gearing. Yeah, not much for highway speed. I mean, you can run at 70 if you need to, but it's a lot of throttle and it's a lot of work. We may be tuning up the ECU here in a little bit, so that might get better. But as of right now, I would keep my highway stints brief with this bike. But back roads like this, maybe find a little dirt road on the side or a trail. Fantastic for that. Just all day. Yeah, I thought that the stiffer spring was a nice improvement off-road, but it's a huge improvement on the road. Actually feels like I have rear travel now, instead of a bike that just squats to the bump stop. I'm not even braking in these turns, really just kind of rolling it. So I'm not loading the front or unloading the rear, just kind of a neutral turn. All right. Well, let's go back the other way. All the track day tips and tricks come back. Use your eyes, look through the turn, look as far ahead as you can. Once you get to your spot, look down the straightaway. Straightaway, looking for the turn in. Reach your apex, look down the straightaway, and then repeat. People don't talk about that a lot, but your vision helps you a lot in your riding. And on your street riding here, the farther you look down the road, the more I can prepare for what's coming. You see, like here, I can't see very far. Through this left, I can't see through this right-hand turn at all. So I know it's really sharp, but the best course of action is to go easy until I can see to the next one. And then I can drive to that, open up your turn a little bit to see around the next one, and then we can, you know, drive out to this. I don't have a lot to say today. It just feels good to be out on the bike. Suspensions improve the ride and the feel. It's like mid-60s today. It's beautiful. I've been waiting for it to cool down, you know, get off the 80s. Oh, don't touch the mustard. And then also with your vision, you can spot road hazards sometimes without looking at the road. Like back there, driveway's on the right. You see a steep driveway on the right. Chances are there's going to be some gravel in the road when you get there. Or any driveway for that matter. You know, cars come and go. Gravel tracks out into the road. See, like here, you got gravel driveway coming out. There could be a few stones there. A few burnouts just because. Why not? Not too many leaves here. Got a lot of evergreen, but you know, the other thing you want to look for in the fall is obviously leaves in the road. Those get quite slippery even when they're dry. Never mind when it's wet. So not too many here in the road. They're mostly on the side. Got some acorns here though. Some acorns will get you skating, and then there's some big walnuts in the road at one point. Those are no fun. to run over or to get hit with. Those big black walnuts, they got the green outer shell on them. Those things hurt. Alright, one more run. Let's get it. Let's see if I can point out that black walnut up here. I saw one in the road. These things are day wreckers, man. It's like getting hit with a baseball. Oh, happy birthday. Yeah, I like this piece of road. This is fun. Alright, the black walnut should be up here on the right of the road. See if I can find it. Look on the right side, just right of the tire track, I think. I was after here. Oh, maybe it got rolled off the road. Oh, right there. It's right in the middle. Dang. Looks like a tennis ball. That's nuts.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if you want to see any more videos with the 300 and just any other content in general, or if you have questions. We're always answering questions and reading comments. Remember, ride safe, enjoy every ride. Peace out. See you in the next one.